Hello everyone, my name is Chris Wellen from Coventor. We are going to show you how to use our tool flow to improve your understanding of reliability, manufacturing and performance for MEMS. Here you see our tool flow for CoventorMP. You can start with layout, build a model with MEMS finite elements and simulate the device. If you'd like to go further, you can take the model directly into MathWorks or Cadence for a system and circuit simulation, including the package. We have some detailed examples. Here you see gyro performance with package deformation. We also show a manufacturing analysis where quadrature and frequencies are predicted with process etch variation. Finally, there is an accelerometer and control circuit response under shock load, including contact forces.